I ask myself all the time, what would I do without my TM6, my Thermomix? I mean, look at this. I get to peel a bunch of onions with no tears and no fears from those vegetable hand peelers. Today, I'm going to show you how to peel onions using the blade cover peeler. You want to chop the roots and stems of your onions. I do not pre-wash my onions. I just dump them straight to the mixing bowl. Over here, we're all about fast freeze, so anything that has got to do with less prep motivates me to cook. In your home screen, you should be able to find the peeler function. Make sure that the max 4 is facing you when you're putting the blade on. Put in all of your onions in your Thermomix and add in your water. Remember, you can only add up to 800 grams of vegetable roots followed by 600 grams of water. And in 4 minutes, you can do so many things, okay? And that's it. Look, this is not even a first world problem. I just have to do a little push push and look clean, smooth, peeled onions that you can keep in your Ziploc bags in the freezer, and you're good to go for the next time you want to cook. I don't know why I sound like I'm screaming. I'm just stoked for this gadget.